In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Cash App to PayPal. Now, since Cash App and PayPal are both payment apps that allow you to store money, send payments, and transfer funds, moving money between them is a simple process using a linked bank account or debit card. So, to get started, open Cash App on your device and then go to your balance. Then, the next thing you have to do is tap Cash Out. Then, enter the amount you would like to transfer. Cash App will give you two options, which are a standard transfer, and this is free and usually takes a few business days, or an instant transfer that arrives faster but includes a fee. Now, once the transfer is completed, the money will be available through your linked bank account. Then, after doing that, you have to open PayPal on your device and then tap your balance. Then, to add money, you have to select Add Money. Then, choose the option to add funds from your bank account or debit card. You may now enter the same amount you transferred from Cash App and confirm the transaction. Using a debit card may allow the transfer to happen instantly, while transferring through a bank account may take a few hours to a few business days, depending on your bank. Once the money appears in your PayPal balance, you can use it to send payments, make purchases, or transfer it back to your bank account. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.